X or something like
Tubbo,
that.
we are not. It's
Don't do men!
No, wait. You put that in the wrong. No. Wait.
What?
Turn around.
Uh-oh.
No.
I didn't mean that.
Come on, you lot.
Wait, I can do this.
Let's just see if we can find a cave. Let's not find a cave. We're not doing that anymore.
And my day is ruined.
I've given up on finding a cave. Please be safe. What are you doing? No.
LOL!
Okay. Chat, you don't like to see it. You really don't like to see it. What? Yes! Cat! Oh my god! Yes! Hello, Boots. Hello, how's you?
Ow. No.
Blink twice if you need help.
Don't make those noises. Don't do that. Oh, fucking Jesus.
Causing chaos, find it more chaos.
Hold on, I left the stove on at home.
That's so weird.
Whoa. Well, I would have landed on it, but I got kind of denied.
I'll never let it go. Tubbo wants to know if I come to us. I have to mute for a second, Master.
You're too young even to have a driver's license!
Fan.
A what?
I think he already knew of our work.
Look, I'll just be honest. I'm addicted to drugs, so that's why I had this. But
Okay. That,
Right.
yeah.
So on a closing note, next time.
Experienced.
Tubbo,
Dreaming.
move.
Oh my! He just saved my life. He just saved. Give him a
He
big
did?
10. Give him a big 10. He just saved my life. He's.
You can sleep in this one.
Yes.
You can sleep immediately in this
can
one.
have it.
That one is
Get,
yours. That
get
one
in
is
that
yours.
bed. Get in that bed right now.
I did.
Okay.
Good job.
I'll make another. It's very weird. Well, just stick to. I don't see you anymore. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't do that! Don't! Don't punch me! I don't see shit, man! Don't do that!
You are dead!
Okay. Hey. Oh. Does he not rip?
Do not sound like a. What is that even meant to mean?
You sound like a radio man. You can wait. Can you say stuff like, and we'll be right back with Channel 6 stuff, you know?
Tubbo, did your balls drop or so? What the?
Right, like
Tubbo!
He sounds so different.
LOL.
Does he not sound incredibly different?
Holy
doesn't.
shit! You sound so different.
It's just settings. I just messed with the
It
set.
sounds so
Okay,
bad.
listen, Tommy, be real with me, be real with me. Does he not sound like a radio guy now? Just get in. What? Okay.
Yes! Yes!
Turn
Yes!
around.
Yes! Yes!
Careful.
Yes!
Esther, are you having problems
Yes!
getting it in?
No, don't ever say that.
No! No! No!
What?
Fuck!
Don't
Shit!
ever say that again. Never.
Can you tell me what I said to make sure?
Oh my god.
Holy shit! This just begs the question: how many more Dreamins are there out there? How many more people
How
do we have to
many?
stop? How many?
I don't know whether you deserve to.
Oh, Fundy, I think we've just created our own storyline. Yep, okay, that's a dream. That's a dream. And that's where we're gonna look at from the game.
Leave me.
Well, Tubbo, we definitely need to have a little meeting some other time.
What?
Tubbo.
I can't. Yeah.
Tubbo, I'm sorry. I'll make it as painless and colorful as possible, Tubbo.
Hell.
Tubbo, I'm sorry. Tubbo, I'm being subjected to mild amounts of peer pressure, Tubbo. Ah!
What just happened?
Fingers off.
Subscribe to Techno Flame.
What is happening?
Kill everybody.
Wait.
Where's the fucking button?
Jesus Christ.
We leave. We gotta get out of here.
He's a hater.
I don't think
We
we're
gotta get out of
go
here.
ice skating anymore today.
Tommy in it immediately.
We gotta get out of here, chat.
Everyone.
Stop.
Nice.
Okay, we can't pick it up, right?
Yeah, can I have the trident, please?
I don't have it. You have it.
I don't
No,
know
I
whether you
don't.
deserve to.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, you can't pick up other people's tridents.
Huh?
What do you mean, huh? Fundy, you just picked it up. I just saw. Fundy, you got to stop screwing with me. I know you've got it. Just press E. Open your inventory.
Uh-huh.
Why? Why are you so dumb? Why?
Why is it gone?
No, it's not horrible. I hate you.